What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix all network sharing issue computer not showing in network on your local network on Windows 11. We will show you some advanced step which you can use to fix this problem. Along with that, if you are facing any kind of network issue as well, then I would suggest you to watch this video so that you can fix those problems. I'm gonna cover up all the options in this video to fix any kind of network issue if you are facing in your Windows 11 PC. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Method 1. Turn on network discovery. As your laptop or your desktop is not showing up on your local, on your private network, then what are the things you have to do? Click on Start, type in here, Control, click on Open, click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Here you have to change some setting, but make sure you're changing that setting on your private network. So click on this arrow and select these options. Turn on network discovery and check this option as well. Turn on automatic setup of network connected devices. Afterward, you have to turn on this option as well. Turn on file and printer sharing. After changing the setting, click on Save Changes. And that's all you have to do. Method 2. Network ID. Here you have to change some network ID information. For that, click on Windows icon. Click on Setting. Scroll it down, click on About, scroll it down, you'll see System Property in here. Click on Computer Name, click on Network ID. Here select this option. This computer is a part of a business network. I use it to connect to other computer at work. Click Next and select this option. My computer uses a network without a domain, and click Next. And type the work group name in here. Method 3. Check services. Here you have to check some services. Are those services in the running condition or not? For to check the services, click on Start, type in here Services, click on Open, and here you have to search all of those services, as I have listed all of the services on the right side of the screen. So you can see all of the services. I would like to show you the first service. It's Function Discovery Provider Host. So click on any of the services, type F, and you'll find all the listing in here. Let me increase this name section. And here you can see Function Discovery Provider Host. Click on Start and run these services, and make sure you change the property information as well. Or to change the properties information, do a right click, click on Properties. Here click on Start, select Automatic, click on Apply and OK. Method 4. Flush DNS with network reset. First you have to do a flush DNS. For that, click on Start, type in here CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Click on OK. Afterward, you have to type a command in here, Ipconfig space / flush DNS and press enter. As you can see, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Afterward, close the command prompt, click on Start icon, click on Settings, click on Network and Internet. Here scroll it down, click on Advanced Network Setting, click on Network Reset and click on Reset Now. It will show you a screen that it's gonna reset your network, and it's gonna take some time, like 5 minutes usually take to reset your network. So let it be, or either you can simply click on Start, press power icon and select restart. After this, if it helps you to fix the problem, then it's good. If not, there are few other commands which you can use. All of the commands listed in the description. Method 5. Reinstall network driver. Do a right click on Windows icon, select Device Manager. Here you have to find a network adapter, as you can see this one. Double click on it and you'll see a network adapter in here. I have Intel Pro, so I'm selecting it. Do a right click, click on Update Driver, click on Search automatically for drivers. It will start scanning and install a driver on your PC. If it works for you, it's good. If not, then click on Search for Updated Driver on Windows Update. Or you can go with this option as well, Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available driver, and from here you can select your adapter, or you can select this option as well to check if it helps you to fix the problem. And there are few other advice I would like to recommend in here. You can try to uninstall as well. Simply click on uninstall and click on scan for hardware changes and restart your PC to check if it helps you to fix your problem. Or you can click on properties, click on drivers, click on rollback driver and click on OK. If you have recently updated your Windows 11 PC and since then you're facing this problem related to your network, then you can try rollback as well. Because all the settings which were working perfectly fine on your Windows 11 PC will come back to its old setting, and afterward you can able to use your local computer on your network. Method 6. SMB 1.0 protocol. Here you have to click on Start, type in here Control, click on Open, click on Programs, click on Program and Features. Now click here Turn Windows feature on or off, and here you have to find SMB 1.0 protocol. Search for it and you'll find that information in here. I would recommend you not to opt this option, as it suggested it's not a secure way to connect all the PC on your local network. So I would recommend you not to follow this option. If none of the option work, then you can go ahead and try this option. Click on plus icon and make sure you select all of these options and click on OK and restart your PC. So these are the settings which you can use and the method you can use to fix all network sharing issue on your computer not showing on your local network on Windows 11. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video.